Why is the 4-68 series explosion-proof centrifugal fan blower suitable for oil storage facilities? The 4-68 series is designed with explosion-proof materials and motors, ensuring safe operation in oil storage facilities. Performance curves illustrate effective pressure and airflow management. The fan is dynamically balanced to reduce vibrations, enhancing operational stability. Constructed with high-strength, corrosion-resistant materials, it ensures long-term reliability. Decent Machinery provides tailored solutions and on-site technical support for seamless integration and compliance with safety standards.